Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So I think that the bad times are over, right? This previous drama, how much exhausting it has been. It has been really exhausting for people who, especially, are down and stuff. Everyone is down. Let me just be honest. Everyone, including me, is down. This is not a secret, okay? Which actually reminds me of something that I read on a book somewhere, that everyone will have their nice, amazing days. But even when it comes down to a professional trader, it doesn't really matter if you're 10 years in this market, 15 years in this market, you will always have that one time where things are not in your way. And thanks to manipulation, this can happen, right? Things can go good, you're looking at the chart, and then manipulation happens, you go down, you cannot do anything about it. All you can do is just sit back and let the market do its own thing. So I've actually seen that one of the best thing happening right now with Luna Classic is that you do have your huge, nice, good regular bullish divergence now, right? And that especially has appeared on the daily. You have the flat line here, you have the lower lows right there, and actually it shows that this is an amazing regular bullish divergence. Now secondly, we have come up to make a dragonfly. So dragonfly candle signifies a move back to the upside. So today, perhaps, let's hope you make it back up here, and that's going to be 7639. And if you do make it back up, well, to be honest, this still holds this line. You have support, come back up like this. This is just going to be a wick and a huge stop loss hunt just to go back to the upside one more time. And also, that's all I do see. Hopefully today is going to be an important day, and I do want to see somehow we get to close again to 7292. We're actually very close to 7292. You're sitting at 68.53 right now, so you're very close, and it's possible. Maybe if I try to check lower time frames, we might actually see some hints over here. And yeah, so it does look like if you end up making a pattern here, so for example, this support and resistance that you're having right now, like this, can actually help you achieve that target. So you're going from top to bottom and you break it up, you come all the way back up to 7748. So on the daily, if you go to 7748, then you will realize that this is another huge morning star in the making. So today, let's see if you can actually jump all the way back up here, because from there it could actually be the beginning of an amazing uptrend. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.